Good morning, students. Today we are going to see formation of equations involving derivatives. If I have to take one example problem. Example 1, if xy equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x, prove that x dot d squared y by dx squared plus 2 dot dy by dx minus xy equal to 0. Given equation is xy equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. Then we have to derivate this equation. Then we have to form x dot d squared y by dx squared plus 2 dot dy by dx minus xy equal to 0. Solution. Given equation is xy equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. We have to take this is first equation. Then we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x in equation 1. Therefore, this implies y plus y x is derivative, then y plus, then we have to keep x is constant and y is derivative of dy by dx, that is equal to a e power x is derivative e power x, then minus b e power minus x. E power minus x is e power minus x into minus 1. Therefore, we have to get a e power x minus b e power minus x. This is equation number 2. Then we have to differentiate both the sides. Again, there is equation 2. We have to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, y is differentiate with respect to x, means this implies dy by dx plus x dot dy by dx is again differentiate d squared y by dx squared plus 1 dot x is derivative 1 dot dx dy by dx, that is equal to e power x into 1 minus b e power minus x into minus 1. This is equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x. Therefore, we have to get a e power x plus b e power x is format is given in equation 1. We have to get right hand side of this equation 1. Therefore, that is equal to left hand side of xy. Therefore, dy by dx plus x into d squared y by dx squared plus 1 dot dy by dx equal to xy. Then we have to rearrange this. This implies x dot d squared y by dx squared plus 2 into dy by dx minus xy equal to 0. Next example. Given x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos p theta, then we have to prove that 1 minus x squared into y2 minus x y1 plus p squared y equal to 0. Again, we have to differentiate the given terms. X equal to sin theta, y equal to cos p theta. P theta is equation number 1. We have to take equation number 1. Differentiating equation 1 both the sides with respect to theta. That is, this implies given dx by d theta equal to, left hand side is x is differentiated with respect to theta, then dx by d theta equal to cos theta. Then y equation is dy by d theta equal to cos p theta is derivative is minus sin p theta. Again, with respect to theta, we have to p theta again derivative p. Then we have to take dx by d theta equal to cos theta, dy by d theta equal to minus p sin p theta. This is equation number 2 and 3. Then we have to divide 3 by 2. Equation 3 divided by equation 2. Then we have to get, this implies dy by d theta by dx by d theta equal to, we have get from this dy by dx, that is equal to minus p sin p theta by cos theta. dy by dx equal to minus p sin p theta by cos theta. We have to get equation 4. This is equation number 4. Then we have to change this equation theta change into terms of x and y. We have to see here a rough work in given y equal to cos p theta. Now 1 minus y squared equal to 1 minus cos squared p theta. Then 1 minus y squared equal to 1 minus cos squared p theta. Again taking the square root on both the sides. Root of 1 minus y squared equal to root of 1 minus cos squared p theta. Then root of 1 minus y squared equal to 1 minus root of 1 minus cos squared p theta is in a formula sin square theta plus cos square theta and equal to 1 என்ற இன்இக்வாலிட்டியிலிருந்து we can get it sin p theta. Therefore likewise x equal to sin theta, then 1 minus x squared equal to 1 minus sin square theta, root of 1 minus x squared equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. Then we have to get from this cos theta. Therefore substitution is cos theta equal to root of 1 minus x squared. Then substitution is sin p theta equal to root of 1 minus y squared. So we have get from equation 1 y equal to cos p theta, 1 minus y squared equal to 1 minus cos squared p theta. 1 minus y squared equal to 1 sin squared p theta. Then we have to get sin p theta equal to root of 1 minus y squared. Next x equal to sin theta, then this implies 1 minus x square equal to 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Then we have to, this implies that root of 1 minus x square equal to cos theta. We can get the substitution term is root of 1 minus x squared. Therefore equation 4 becomes dy by dx equal to minus p root of 1 minus y squared by root of 1 minus x squared. Squaring on both sides, dy by dx the whole square equal to p squared of 1 minus y squared by 1 minus x squared. This implies we can cross multiply this 1 minus x squared into dy by dx the whole square equal to p squared of 1 minus y squared. This is equation number, we can put equation number 5. Then differentiating both the sides of equation 5 with respect to x. Then we have to get 1 minus x squared into 2 into dy by dx dot d squared y by dx squared plus, first we have to put 1 minus x squared is a constant. Then we have to derivate dy by dx the whole square 2 into dy by dx. Again dy by dx is differentiate with respect to x, d squared y by dx squared. Plus then we have to put dy by dx. Next we have to put constant dy by dx the whole square is a constant term. Then we have to derivate the another one term 1 minus x square term. Then we have to get 1 minus x squared is minus 2x. Derivative of 1 minus x squared is minus 2x. Next right hand side of this equation p squared of into 1 minus y squared is differentiation is minus 2y. Then 2y into dy by dx. We have to rearrange the terms 1 minus x squared into 2 into dy by dx into d squared y by dx squared minus 2x into dy by dx into dy by dx, that is equal to 2 minus 2y p squared into dy by dx. Cancelling the common factor in the throughout the equation 2 dot dy by dx. Then we have to get 1 minus x squared into d squared y by dx squared minus x into dy by dx, that is equal to p squared 1 minus x squared into dy by d squared y by dx squared minus x into dy by dx, that is equal to p squared minus p squared into y. This is the equation for given proof 1 minus x squared into d squared y by dx squared minus x into dy by dx plus p squared y equal to 0. Thank you students.